Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 3 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. And A71 is powered by Snapdragon 730 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, while the new Oppo Reno 3 Pro comes with a MediaTek Helio P95 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, and both phones comes with a quad cameras on the back. As you can see, we have a main 64 megapixel main sensor on the A71 as well as on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's quickly start it. So like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first on the A71, followed by the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. And both phones is running on Android 10 right out the box. And we have this new animation on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro with their latest software version, and you can see Oppo Reno 3 Pro, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A71. It is right behind to the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. And guys, both phones comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display. We have a punch hole display on both phones. We have a single punch hole on the A71 versus a dual punch hole on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. And you can see both phones give you a very great screen to body ratio, I have to say. So now let's see the app's opening speed. Like always, everything is closed up in the background and you can see no app is running in the background. Both phones comes with a 8 GB of RAM. So we're gonna start off by basic stuff. First application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. And you can see that was about the same on both phones. My clock, and seems like a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71, followed by the Reno 3 Pro. Calendar, faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71 again. My files on both phones, boom. And that seems like a little bit faster on the Reno 3 Pro, I believe. The calculator, and you can see about the same on both phones. So now let's notice some more apps. We have YouTube on both phones and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see very small difference there, I have to say. About the same on both phones, and scrolling speed is also feels faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71 as you can see. Amazon shopping, and faster on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro as you can see, followed by the A71. Instagram, and that is a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71. Spotify, about the same on both phones, little bit faster on the A71. Subway Surfer, we have some games application for checking out the performance. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A71 is faster with the Snapdragon 730 chipset, which is based on 8nm architecture. Candy Crush Saga, and you can see again Samsung Galaxy A71 is faster there. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. And you can see Oppo Reno 3 Pro, this time it is really faster than the Samsung Galaxy A71 for some reason. Now let's see the Snapchat, about the same on both phones. Twitter, about the same on both phones again. Now let's see the Zedge. You can see that is switch faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. And that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71, followed by the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the A71 versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Latest version on both phones. We have wikipedia.org. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see about the same on both phones. Next on the list is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website. And let's see, and Samsung Galaxy A71 is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. So now let's see the scrolling, and you can see it feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And you can see both phones perform really smooth. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones. Very interesting part of this video. Both phones give you a 8 GB of RAM, and let's see who is perform better in the RAM management area. We have phone dialer that got refresh on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Both phones is on their latest software version. Mic lock, no refresh. Let's see the calendar that got refresh on the Reno 3 Pro. My files, refresh again. Let's see the calculator, again refresh. YouTube, again refresh. Amazon shopping, refresh again. Instagram, again refresh. Spotify, refresh. And you can see again refresh on the Reno 3 Pro. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, that not refresh. Let's see the Temple Run 2, refresh again. Let's see the Snapchat, refresh. Let's see Twitter, refresh. Zedge. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is definitely faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71 in terms of system-based application as well as in game app loading time. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the A71. I'm really impressed by the performance of the Samsung Galaxy A71 in terms of RAM management. And guys, this phone is perfect in the RAM management, while the Oppo Reno 3 Pro it is not perform good in the RAM management. Almost all the application is refreshed in the background. And thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 3 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. Let me know what you guys think about this new Oppo Reno 3 Pro, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.